students, second year MSc Physics. So in this class we are going to talk about lattice vacancies, another topic. So let me discuss about this topic. First, how to discuss lattice defects. So what is lattice defect? So we know crystal materials are crystals made by atoms. So crystals will have a regular periodic arrangement of atoms. So any deviation from this periodicity is known as defects of imperfection in crystal materials. So the deviation from the perfect periodicity of atomic arrays in crystals is known as crystal defects. So we know the arrangement of atoms, regular arrangement of atoms is known as crystallinity or crystal materials. So in this crystal material, some of the deviations if occurs, so the deviation from this periodic arrangement is known as the defects of imperfection in crystal materials or crystals. So the crystal defects, their properties such as mechanical strength and ductility, crystal growth, dielectric strength and magnetic hysteresis, conductivity, etc. So a perfect crystal with every atom of same type in correct position so does not exist. Thus all crystals have some defects. So perfect without any defect material is unknown. So a crystal material, every crystal material have some defects. The defects in crystals may be confined of a point, line and line, surface and volume. So based on this concept, based on these factors, so the basic classes of crystal defects are four types. One is point defects, so that zero dimensional defects only. We observe the point position of the atoms like on points. So next one is line defects. Line defects, that is defect, DEFE. Okay, so mistake there, defect. So one dimensional defects. And surface defects, two dimensional defects. And final one is volume defects. These are three dimensional defects. So in this class, in this class we will discuss, or we are talking only point defects. So point defects are zero dimensional defects. So that is, point defects are one dimensional defects when an atom is missing or an atom is in an irregular place in the lattice structure. The corresponding defects are known as point defects. So మనం రెగ్యులర్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్ అని అనుకుంటే, సో దాంట్లో ఏదైనా పాయింట్ మధ్యలో మిస్ అయినట్లయితే, సో దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డిఫెక్ట్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ పాయింట్ డిఫెక్ట్. సో ఏ పాయింట్ డిఫెక్ట్ produces a strain in a small volume of the crystal surrounding their crystals, but does not affect the perfections distant parts of the crystal arrangements, atoms of that crystal materials. So in general, point defects occur in metallic and ionic crystals. So the point defects are of four types. So one is vacancies, second one intrinsic defects and substantial defects. Fourth one is electronic defects. Again we will discuss in this class vacancies, that is in our syllabus, lattice vacancies. So the simple imperfection, what is meant by lattice vacancy? So we can discuss about this. So lattice vacancy means the simplest imperfection is a lattice vacancy. So already we discussed a small amount, an atom if an atom missed in arrangement of their atoms, so that is known as defect, which is a missing atom or ion, also known as Schottky defect. Again these vacancies in the simplest imperfection is lattice vacancies are two types. So one is Schottky defect and Frankel defects. So vacancies are simple point defects in a crystal which refers to the missing of atoms at its site. So the defects due to the missing atoms at their lattice sites are called vacancies. So we can observe this diagram to missing atom. So at this, so this is a vacancy. So this missing atom, okay, this is vacancy. So this type of defects are known as vacancies. So a crystal lattice with vacancy defect is shown in figure. So vacancy defects are mainly due to the imperfection, packing during the formation of crystals, or due to thermal vibrations of atoms at high temperature. With if an high temperature applies to materials or crystal materials, some of the atoms are missing at their positions. So then vacancies occurs. This defects occurs, that vacancy defects so forms mainly due to the thermal vibrations of atoms are at high temperature. So we can observe this vacancy defects. So high temperature atoms are frequently and regular change their positions, leaving empty lattice sites behind their positions. If we apply a temperature, then the atoms are vibrates at their position and they changes their positions. Then a small gap occurs. So and regular change their positions, leaving empty lattice sites behind their positions. So for most crystals, the thermal energy is of order of 1 electron per vacancy. So the number of vacancy per unit volume of the crystal depends on temperatures. So in most cases, diffusion can only occur because of vacancy. So in case of ionic crystals, there are two types of point defects related to vacancies. So there are, one is Schottky defects and the second one is Frankel defects. So we will discuss one by one. First one is Schottky defects. So Schottky defect means a simple imperfection of lattice vacancy which is missing atoms or ion, also known as Schottky defect. So it is a special case of vacancy defect in ionic crystals. So when a pair of vacancies is produced at one positive ion side and one negative ion site due to the absence of positive and negative ions, then this type of defect is called as Schottky defect. Okay, so let me draw a diagram. So that is the example for Schottky. So in case of NaCl ion and CSCl, NaCl crystal material and CSCl crystal material, NaCl means Na plus and Cl minus. So here we can observe a gap between any two negative ions or any two positive ions. So you can observe the vacancy. This defect is known as Schottky defect. So the ions crystal, there are two types of possible vacancies, namely cation plus ion and minus ions. So when a positive ion from interior of the lattice moves of the crystal of its surface, then positive vacancy is formed. At this site, the formation of the positive ion vacancy result in excess negative charge inside the crystal materials. To maintain the charge neutrality, a negative ion moves to the crystal surface, certain a negative ion vacancy at its site. So examples are Na plus, Cl minus, and Cs plus and Cl minus. Okay, right. So Schottky defect in metals with closed packed structures, the proportion of the lattice sites vacant at temperatures we discussed just before this slide. So just below the melting point of the order is nearly the 10 power minus 3 to 10 power minus 4. So but in some alloys, in particular the very hard transition metals like carbide such as TiC, so the proportion of vacant sites of one component can be high at nearly 50%. So the probability that a given site it vacant proportional to the Boltzmann factor for the thermal equilibrium. So that factor P is equal to exponential term of P equal to minus EV by kVt. Okay, so where EV is known as energy required, where EV is energy required to take atom from lattice site, energy to take atom from lattice site. So inside this crystal materials to lattice site on the surface, if the lattice has n number of atoms, the equilibrium number of small n vacancies is given by Boltzmann factor. Boltzmann factor, that factor is small n by capital N minus small n is equal to exponential term of minus EV by kBt, where kB means Boltzmann constant, TB be the absolute temperature. So from this Boltzmann factor, small n by n minus n is equal to x exponential e power, that means e power ev by kBt. This is equation 1. So if small n is much less than capital N, this is the possible term, that is small n by capital N, because small n be the number of vacancies and capital N be the number of atoms in the crystal. Okay, this is the suitable condition, because the total number of atoms in the crystal are more than the vacancies. A small vacancies occurs. We can observe only small vacancies, like in this case previous diagram we are observing only 2, 3 like vacancies for more than that vacancies. Number of atoms occurs in that crystal materials. So this is like n by n. Equal to exp of minus ev by kBt. This is equation 2. So if ev be the energy, that energy is required to take an atom from the lattice. So that is nearly 1 electron volt, and capital T is nearly 1000 K. This implies small m by capital N, which is equal to e power minus 12 to e power minus power minus 12 that is 10 power minus 5. So in the equilibrium, concentration of vacancies decreases at temperature decreases. As the temperature decreases, the equilibrium concentration of vacancies decreases. Then the actual concentration of vacancies will be higher than the equilibrium value. The equilibrium value of concentration which is higher, which is lower than the actual concentration, or the actual concentration of vacancies are higher than the equilibrium value. So if the crystal is grown at the elevated temperature and then cooled suddenly, the formation of pairs of vacancies keeps the crystal electrostatically. From the statistical calculations, the value of small n is nearly is equal to capital N into e power minus ep by 2 kBt. So from this formula, so e power minus ev replaced by e power minus ep. So here ep means pair of energy of formation of pairs. So this is the number of vacancies occurs by Schottky defect. So that is Schottky defect. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ రివైజ్ చేసినప్పుడు, అకార్డింగ్ టు బోల్జ్మన్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ గురించి మాట్లాడుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ. బోల్జ్మన్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ, సో దట్ ఈజ్ P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు e పవర్ మైనస్ ev బై kBt అన్నాం. ఓకేనమ్మా, రైట్. సో EV be the energy required to take a atom from this lattice. అంటే ఒక లాటిస్ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఒక యాటమ్ తీయడానికి ఎంత ఎనర్జీ కావాలో దాన్ని EV అన్నారు. సో బై KB బోల్ట్జ్మాన్ కాన్స్టెంట్ అబ్సల్యూట్ టెంపరేచర్, దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబబిలిటీ వాల్యూ P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు. ఇక్కడ క్యాపిటల్ N బి ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యాటమ్స్ అన్నాం. మనం తీసుకున్న క్రిస్టల్లో ఉండే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యాటమ్స్ అయితే స్మాల్ n బి ద ఓన్లీ వేకెన్సీస్. ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఈ స్మాల్ n వేకెన్సీస్ అనేవి యాటమ్స్ కానీ ఎప్పుడు తక్కువ ఉంటాయి, అదే కండిషన్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ. సో ఈ ఫార్ములా నుంచి బోల్ట్జ్మాన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ నుంచి స్మాల్ n బై క్యాపిటల్ N మైనస్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ వాల్యూ. సో దీని నుంచి ఎప్పుడు కండిషన్ ఏంటి అంటే స్మాల్ n ఈజ్ మచ్ మచ్ లెస్ దాన్ క్యాపిటల్ N. సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా n ఈజ్ నెగ్లిజిబుల్ వాల్యూ స్మాల్ n కంపేర్డ్ టు క్యాపిటల్ N, కాబట్టి ఈ n బై n మైనస్ n నుంచి ఓన్లీ క్యాపిటల్ N రాసాం. సో దిస్ కండిషన్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ EV వాల్యూ ఈజ్ నియర్లీ 1 electron volt ఫర్ లాటిస్ పాయింట్స్, సో వాల్యూ 1 electron volt అనుకుంటే, అలాగే T ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1000 K, అప్పుడు n బై క్యాపిటల్ N వాల్యూ బికాజ్ EV KB బి ద బోల్ట్జ్మాన్ కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి ఈ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఫైనల్లీ విల్ గెట్ n బై n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు e పవర్ మైనస్ 12, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నియర్లీ e పవర్ మైనస్ 15. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్విలిబ్రియం కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ వేకెన్సీస్ డిక్రీజెస్ యాజ్ ద టెంపరేచర్ డిక్రీజెస్. ఇక్కడ టెంపరేచర్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు దాంట్లో ఉండే ఈక్విలిబ్రియం కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ వేకెన్సీస్ ఆల్సో డిక్రీజెస్ కాబట్టి, సో దాని నుంచి మనకి ఇన్ అయానిక్ క్రిస్టల్స్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ యూజువల్లీ ఫేవరబుల్ ఎనర్జికల్లీ టు ఫార్మ్ రఫ్లీ ఈక్వల్ టు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాజిటివ్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్ అయాన్ వేకెన్సీస్. దాంట్లో మనకి ఈక్వల్ పాజిటివ్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్ అయాన్ వేకెన్సీస్ అనేవి సో జరుగుతుంది. సో దాని నుంచి ద ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ పెయిర్ వేకెన్సీ స్మాల్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎంత వచ్చింది, క్యాపిటల్ N ఇంటూ e పవర్ మైనస్ EP బై 2KT, వేర్ EP బి ద ఎనర్జీ ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ pairs, positive and negative pairs. So EP by EV is replaced with EP by 2, that is Schottky defect. Okay, so another defect is known as Frankel defect. So Frankel defect gurinchi మనం will discuss in next class. Okay na. ఫ్రాంకెల్ డిఫెక్ట్ గురించి మనం నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.